Alright, let's continue our part 2C of this lecture series. In this lecture, we focus on compound sentence structure and what is compound sentence itself. So let's get started. Alright, compound sentences or compound sentence. What is a compound sentence? Well, compound sentence is the combination of two independent clauses. It is combined with a comma and a coordinating conjunction of fanboys. So let's have a look at the first formula. As you might already know, and is one of the coordinating conjunction of fanboy, and we use it to add similar idea, or in other words, addition. So the formula is two independent clauses or two simple sentence combined with a comma and. So here's the example. Oil production rose in 2015, comma, and gas output declined in the same year. So this is a perfect example of two independent clauses or two simple sentences, in other words, combined with a comma and, which is a coordinated conjunction to make a one compound sentence. Right, let's move on to another formula. Again, but is used for two contrasting ideas, and this word is a one of a coordinating conjunction of fanboy. So again, we have two independent clauses combined with a comma and but. Let's look at the example. Exports increased steadily, comma, but import remained stable throughout the period. So again, we have two independent clauses connect by a punctuation, comma, and a fanboy, but, for expressing two contrasting ideas. Right, let's move on to the next formula. While is used to talk about simultaneous contrast or expressing a simultaneous contrast. So we have the first independent clause followed by a punctuation, comma, and followed by while, and another independent clause, subject verb, right? Let's have a look at the example. Male participation grew rapidly, comma, while female participation showed only a modest growth. Again, you see the two independent clauses combined with a punctuation, in this case, comma, and while, right? Okay, let's move on to the last one. So is one of the fanboys as well, one of the coordinating conjunctions. So is used to express the result. Again, in order to construct one complete compound sentence, we need two independent clauses, or in other words, two simple sentences combined with a punctuation, comma, and one coordinating conjunction or one fanboy. In this case, so. Let's have a look at the example. The man exceeded supply, comma, so prices rose significantly. So here's a perfect complete compound sentence, which made up of two independent clauses and one fanboy and a punctuation that's called comma. Here's a key pattern. So in order to construct one complete compound sentence, you need two independent clauses combined with a comma and one of the coordinating conjunction of fanboys. All right, that should be it for this part of our lecture. I'll see you in the next part.